Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Zoho Project and how you can utilize its features for conflict resolution. First things first, log into your Zoho Project account. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab. The reason we do this is because this is where you'll find all the active projects where potential conflicts can occur. Now that we've done that, select the project with the conflict you aim to resolve. Once you're on the project page, go to the Issues tab. This helps us because it's where Zoho Project keeps track of all project-related issues, including conflicts. Next up, locate the conflict issue you're dealing with. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a detailed view of the issue. You'll see the Resolve Conflict button there. Click on it. The reason we do this is because this feature allows you to address the conflict directly within the platform, streamlining the resolution process. Once you've clicked on Resolve Conflict, you'll be taken to a resolution page. This is where you can add your resolution steps and assign tasks to team members. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning tasks and setting deadlines, you're setting clear expectations and responsibilities, which is crucial in conflict resolution. After you've entered all the information, click Save. Now, your team members will receive notifications about their tasks and deadlines. This helps us because it ensures everyone involved is aware of the resolution steps and their individual roles. Now, monitor the conflict resolution progress regularly, and if necessary, adjust the tasks or deadlines. This is important because conflict resolution in project management is a dynamic process and may require adjustments along the way. In conclusion, Zoho Project provides a systematic approach for conflict resolution, ensuring that every issue is addressed properly and timely. And with that, we've come to the end of our tutorial. Remember, conflict resolution is all about communication, clarity, and consistency. Happy project managing!